Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Easy with Sabha. Today's day 22nd of 30 Day Spoken English Challenge, and the today's topic is how to improve fluency fast. There are a lot of ways where you can increase your fluency, where you can achieve your fluency in a short period of time. So let's start our video. So, as I know about, as I'm sharing my experience, how I learn, how I'm doing practice, how somehow whatever the fluency I have, uh, how I got that fluency, I have to share that thing with you all. And if you do practice in that manner, maybe you will not too far to reach at that level and at that fluency. So first thing as I started this challenge, 30 Day Spoken English challenge, by considering you all are beginners, you wanted to learn all the things from the scratch. So at the scratch level, what you all have to do is, till now whatever the video I make and whatever the thing that I shared through all the videos, that you have to follow, like all the things. First video maybe I said you have to build confidence. Then after you will automatically feel motivated, and then after you will try to speak, and you start opening your mouth, and you will feel less hesitate. In this manner I said. Then after I share some daily use sentences, then also tongue twister, mini conversations, a lot of videos. As you are going through all this criteria, you have to keep all the criteria in your mind. Like what are the ways where you can improve your English and where you can achieve your fluency in a short period of time. In that manner, you will improve your pronunciation. You will gain some vocabulary at the basic level, and then after you will try to learn some basic rules and basic structure of the grammar. As already we saw, the tenses, present tense, past tense, and future tense, and their structure as well, and their example as well. Day to day and earlier, related to the earlier video where I given you example that we already done. And in this manner, you will, if you do practice regularly by considering all this criteria for upgrading in yourself, by inculcating in yourself, you will not feel too tough and too hard to do practice and to gain that fluency. This is the one thing that you will follow, and you will gain that fluency. This was the first criteria. And the second one, from my experience, how I got the fluency, whatever you're reading, means like your academic books or the non-fiction book, fiction book, you have to read by full concentration, not 50% concentration. You're scrolling video, you're scrolling reels, and then after simultaneously you're just trying to read the book. It's not like that. You have to fully concentrate on that book only, whatever you're reading. Then after try to see that, concentrate on the structure as well. In that manner, you have to, while you're reading, you have to jot down the words that you don't know. Then after completing your passage or per page or two page or pages, then after you have to go for googling and go for the searching of that meaning. In this manner, you get to know about the new words and also get to know about that context, what that context is saying to you. You will get some knowledge as well. If you are interested in non-fiction book as like business, earning money, how to make more money, how to improve your personality, how to improve your communication skills. A lot of varieties of books are available. Books are there. If you gone through that, you will get to know about the wordings related to that topic as well. The wording and vocabulary, there are varieties of vocabulary and wordings are there related to the field, related to the genre. On the basis of that, you you get familiar with all those things. This was the second thing. After while you're reading, you will get the fluency as well. But you have to do regularly on consistent on the regular basis. You have to do this thing on regular basis. If you are consistent with all these things, no one will stop you to gain that fluency, and you will reach. Uh, One day you will reach at your distance. This was the second thing. And the third thing is practice. More and more practice. Whenever you are getting time, when you're talking with your friend, just try to find the friend those who are very curious to learn English and those who are interested to learn English. Those who are very serious about their career and those who are fond of this language. They just you have to uh, get you have to find this kind of the people, and after finding that, just make the time, and whenever you're getting free time from your college, after completing your college or anything from your work, you have to do practice of that things. And till now what kind of the videos are what I made, you have to go with all this topic. The topic I made, you have to go with regularly with all those topics by your own. You have to expand all those examples. You have to expand the practice of all those things. You will reach that fluency as well. But you need to practice more and more. Minimum. And the fourth point is how you can get fluency in fast manner. You have to do shadowing the thing, shadowing to the native speaker. Shadowing is one of the uh, most of shadowing is one of the golden key or golden thing that uh, as you can say. This if you are if you are getting this thing, if you are getting this thing, what I am saying, if you are shadowing the native speaker, those who are good in speaking, those who are native, those who are British accent speaker, those who are American accent speaker, you have to shadow them. You have to try to speak like them. Not exactly, but whatever they are speaking, you have to speak that sentence as structure, and you get habituated with all those things, and then your mouth get familiar with all those words and their pronunciation in that manner. If you are doing practice regularly in the morning time or in the evening time, whenever you feel free, at the time you have to go with all these things, and your brain is your brain automatically get activated in that manner, and it is just trying to give you some signal to do practice in that way. And if you find this step by shadowing to the native speaker is helpful for you, you have to go with the next step by doing practice of yourself by looking in the mirror. The same thing. Whatever you learn from that videos by shadowing and anything, you have to do practice by shadowing. By shadowing, not only shadowing, you can talk with yourself um, in the mirror by recording your video. All these things you can do if you want to gain the fluency. You have to speak more and more. Just record your video for at start. Maybe you feel hesitant, maybe you feel worried, and you will get stuck. A lot of time you feel like, yeah, this is not for me. I can't do this thing. But one day, but you have to be consistent with all these tough days. Tough day in the sense you are feel more hesitant, can't speak single word, not even properly spoke a single word in front of camera, in front of mirror. Still you have to do that all the thing. You have to record again and again. Then after, by regularly, consistently, if you are doing all these things, you will not feel a stumble while you are doing all these things. And then after you will speak some words, some sentence, then you will speak some passage as well. Yeah, don't worry about that making mistake. Making mistake is a symbol of like you are doing practice, you are doing something, you're trying to go ahead. So I also think about it like If there is something in between your obstacle, maybe you are on right track. They will try to build you. They will mold you in the right manner. So if you are in the wrong place, if you are in the wrong track, maybe you have to change the path, and you have to go in the path where you feel like you have to build something in for yourself. So all the things you have to keep in your mind, and rest of the things, like follow all these things, whatever the thing that I'm sharing through my video. If you follow all these things, maybe you will get cleansing in a very short period of time. And if you like this video, how you will get that fluency and how you will improve fluency in short period of time. So if you are thinking like this video, whatever the thing I shared with you all is correct and you are correlating with all these things, then do one thing for me. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.